Hello, welcome back again. Good morning if you see me for the first time. So my name is Hannah. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I connect my GoTv all by myself. So I want to be taking you guys along the process from the beginning to the ending, and this video is gonna like give you an insight on how you can fix your GoTv decoder all by yourself. So let's get right into the video. Guys, these are the things we need to connect our GoTv. Firstly, you need your GoTv antenna, you need your GoTv decoder, and you need your GoTv wire cable, because this is what you use to transmit signal from the antenna to the decoder. You need your GoTv adapter, which is very important. You need this tiny little wire right here is what you use, to tap the GoTv antenna to your protector or whatever thing you'll be anchoring your antenna to. You need your armor, of course, because this is what you'll be using, to nail this wall hook, or whatever they call it, wall hook or something, wire hook to the wall. And of course, you need your GoTv remote. And I also have my stool right here. This is what I'll be using as a means of ladder today, because I don't have a ladder. So sorry, so I'll be using this to climb. So these are the things we need. So let's get right into the connecting of this GoTv. We have our GoTv cable. So right now we are going to connect this one out to the GoTv antenna. And mind you, you have to look at this side. Check the two sides of the GoTv stuff is the same thing, right? So you just have to connect this side to the yellow side, the yellow part of this. So if you're connecting your GoTv, make sure you connect it to this yellow, because this is where to be able to know, like, connect to signal, like that will bring signal. We are not connecting this antenna now to my protector, so I don't want the excess wire in this cable to be showing in my apartment, so I have to fold this. cable to your GOTv decoder, you have to put it at the second side that they wrote in. So you have to put it here. This. You connect this adapter right here to the GOTv. So you have to put it at this side. This place is something. You're gonna put it inside. Wow. So right now your GOTv is ready. So I don't have light right now, so I can't test this. But you can see from the connection, just take a look. The cable, you can adjust this for instance. Look at the wall, like look at the wall. There is no bruise in the wall. You can see the wall does not have any hole, and you can see from the window side and just this side to the excess wire to the antenna. You can see how tight this is. So this is how you can, connect your phone. You can do this all by yourself. So guys, if you found this video helpful, share this video, like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon in order to be notified anytime I post a video. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.